Realme users, it's your turn. The long-awaited Realme UI 7, based on Android 16, is now officially rolling out for the Realme GT6 and GT6T. And yes, you can join the early access right now. But here's the catch, only 2,000 users will get in. So if you want to know how to apply, what's new, and whether it's worth it, stay tuned because I'll explain everything step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Alright, let's get into the full details of the Realme UI 7 early access rollout for the GT6 and GT6T after releasing Android 16-based Realme UI 7 for the GT7, GT7T, and GT7 Pro. Realme is now expanding the fund to last year's models, the GT6 and GT6T. The company has officially launched the third round of early access, also known as the closed beta program, for both these devices. To join, your phone must be updated to the latest version. For GT6, RMX 38511, 5.1200. For GT6T, RMX 38531, 5.1200. And since it's a major system upgrade, make sure you have at least 6 to 7 GB of free storage before starting. Now, let's talk about what's new in Realme UI 7. This version brings a major design overhaul, smoother animations powered by the new Trinity engine, and improved overall system performance. You can also expect bug fixes, stability improvements, and faster app responsiveness. Basically, Realme UI 7 feels cleaner, faster, and more modern, all thanks to Android 16 under the hood. If you're ready to jump in, here's how you can apply for early access. Go to Settings, go to About Device, Next Version, then click Version Number. Tap the version number 7 times to enable developer mode. Then go back and tap the Realme UI 7 banner at the top. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. Choose Beta Program, next click Early Access, then Apply Now. Fill in your details and submit your application. And that's it. Once selected, you'll receive the Early Access update over the air. But before you rush in, remember, this is a beta version, not the stable release. So you might face some bugs, glitches, or performance issues. I'd strongly recommend not installing it on your main device unless you're okay with a few hiccups. And definitely back up your important data before updating. So Realme GT6 and 6T users, are you going to test Realme UI 7 early access or wait for the stable release? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because I'll be covering all the new Realme UI 7 features in detail very soon. Thanks for watching.